Hey, what's up, everybody? It's YL with Crypto 10x. In this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to share this trading opportunity with you guys. This isn't financial advice, so don't pour everything you guys own. Only trade what you can afford to lose. I'm going to share with you guys what I'm seeing and why I think Bitcoin Cash is a profitable trade. So I'm on TradingView. This is what I use to dissect charts. So let me remove all these indicators and drawing tools. So this is what we're seeing on the daily right now. Let's throw on some volume actually. You can see that the volumes died down a lot. Not a lot of people are talking about Bitcoin Cash. These are the kind of coins that you want to trade, you want to get into before all the news is there. So as you can see, I like to trade market cycles. Bitcoin Cash makes really impulsive market cycles. So if you're not familiar with the Wall Street cheat sheet, it's just cycles of emotions, how people trade off of emotions, and you can see that it just repeats itself over and over again. So Bitcoin Cash plays some very impulsive market cycles. I'll use fib retracement, and I'll take it from this point, and actually I'll turn on the Heineken ashy candles so we can see what the highest price was. Perfect. So this is the top. This is where the highest price came. So this is an Ethereum pairing. I like to look at coins in all pairings, and when you find a coin in strong against the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and US dollar pairing, then you know that it's a good coin because it's looking strong on all three. So right now it costs about 1.85 Bitcoin, 1.5 Ethereums per each Bitcoin Cash. So you would put in 1.8 Ethereum to get 1 Bitcoin Cash, and the goal is to get more Ethereum at the end of this trade because that's what you're putting in. So let's say here's the accumulation phase comparing it to here. So we're bottom out, and now we're going to come back for a run. So let's put these targets right here. Our first target. Our second target could be right here. Oh, let me get another rectangle. And then last target would be here. That's where the highest price hit previously. And with crypto, you see these massive gains. So from this price, even though let me just put on the 250-day 50 200. So I think that this is the pump, initial pump right here. This could be the bottom. We could see it come back down here, but I don't think we'll see it down here for much longer. So I'll buy on the retrace. Maybe it'll come back down to the 50% or to the 50-day. So if we're buying from approximately here and selling at first target, let's go. That's 120%. We take that, and let's go to the second target. That's 200%. And let's try the third target. That is 440%. So the minimum I'm going for is that 120%, I believe I said, from here, 125. I don't mind holding this where it is in the market cycle because I do believe Bitcoin Cash will play out against Ethereum and Bitcoin strongly, and when it does it very impulsively, all this news will come as well. You'll see a ton of volume. People will even think that it's going to be the new Bitcoin again. So you want to get into these before all of these, before the mass get into it, before the mass spot this trade, because then it'll be very obvious to them. So this is into the Bitcoin and Ethereum pairing. Let's check out Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin. Let's go to Bittrex. And yes, I was just playing with that. Let me remove all drawing tools. Same thing here. We could say the bottom is right there. This can come down a bit more. I don't see it coming down to 0.75. The volume's died down a ton, even though Bitcoin's in uncertainty right now. You can see this is kind of consolidating. It's almost flattening out, and that's a good sign. So let's put the fib here as well. I'll start it from right here, and I'll put it to the top. You know what? I'm going to change this just to the candles. And I want to show you guys, I'll delete that as well, this symmetrical triangle. So maybe if I take this back more, so you can see that this is creating higher lows, and I believe this is going to break out to the P3 level. This is where my first, you know what, actually my first target would be here. So first big target would be at 100%, and then take at this level and take at this level. I would be gradually raising my stop loss and watching as well, so I can, you know, I think actually I wouldn't take here. Maybe I would do that, because usually this is the length of the triangle, so that's what people say is where if it breaks out, that's the length it'll go. So if it breaks out around here, this is the price range that you can expect it to jump to. So 0.3. So if you got in around here and sold that there, that's 175%. This is against the Bitcoin pairing, so not as strong as the Ethereum pairing, but still more profitable to hold this than holding Bitcoin or Ethereum. I wouldn't say trade all of it in, but I put in maybe 35-40% of my portfolio in this coin. I'm going to be watching it very closely, and I'm hoping to make some good profits when the flipping does happen, when Bitcoin Cash does take over mass opinion. You know, when people start thinking Bitcoin Cash is going to be the next coin, all these articles come out and a ton of volume comes out. So I'm going to get in before that, and this looks like a good place for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum just pumped on Bitcoin Cash versus Ethereum. So let's look into a good entry point, because I'm going to get into it right now actually. So it pumped from here, and that's the first red bar. So I see it possibly coming down here. Oh, that's a trend line. Don't need that. I can see it just need to coming back to the 0.61 line, something like this, and then maybe working its way back up again. So I'm gonna place my buy at even touching the 200 or the 50-day right here and hitting the 50% fib. I think that's possible as well. So 1.64, 1.65. So I'm gonna try and place my buy right here. 1.65. I'm gonna just do 1.66. So let's go to here now. It's at 1.8. Let's go to 1.66, and I want 73 Ethereum worth. That's gonna get me 40. That's gonna get me 4 more Bitcoin Cashes than just buying at this market value. So let's go ahead and put that order, 1.66 Ethereum, and let's get 43 Bitcoin Cashes. So we've placed that order in just about now. I'm going to wait for it to touch back down, and then I'll ride it to my profit levels that I said that I pointed out. So hope this video helped. Hopefully you guys can scale into Bitcoin Cash and make some profits. If you have any other videos or any other coins that you want me to dissect, let me know. Please join our Discord. We have so many opportunities. We have ICO poolings, Masternode poolings. We have a Masternode contest right now. Check out our Facebook, our Discord, our YouTube. And if you have any questions, just hit me up. And that's about it. I'll see you in the next video.